are here at Alakrama at Harting stall, and we have with us Mr. Girish Rao. He is the CEO of Harting India. So let us discuss about Harting's program in India as such. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Harting is in India since last 7 or 8 years,
Yeah.
and it's now only that we have started to expand our footprint in India. And we had a small factory earlier, but now we are setting up a bigger factory, and we are moving this factory inside Chennai city.
Okay.
And we are also going for a bigger warehouse. So this is our short-term plan as far as Make in India is concerned.
Okay. When you talk about the factory, so you are manufacturing here or you are just assembling it?
No, what we are going to do is we are going to manufacture this entire connectors here, as well as we will be doing some cable assemblies also.
So Harting is known for the quality product. So the price issue in Indian market maybe is a very natural thing. So how you cope with all this such things?
No, we are like Mercedes Benz of connector world. So there will be buyer for products like Mercedes and Audi. So people who are looking for German reliability and quality, they will continue to come to Harting.
This Chrysler is a high-end customer for you, but what about the rest of the customers can they afford the price you have?
Definitely, if you look at the payback period from our product, which you will get, for example, if you buy from a Chinese connector or a local source, the product may last just 2 years. But if you buy the same product, initially you may be paying higher price, but the same connector will last for almost 20-30 years. So that's the kind of quality we are offering. And customer understands that, and that's why people use our products in critical applications where you don't get a second chance.
So this is an opportunity or a challenge for you? What?
It's a challenge as well as opportunity also, and today customer is more quality conscious, and they have traveled all over the world. They want the best thing for their own plant and machinery, and they understand if there is a downtime, it will cost them more. So they are more clever and they understand the technology much better.
So what you are doing for the 4.0 industry competitive?
There is a big team working in our headquarters dedicated to this Industry 4.0, and we have come out with our own machines actually, which is Industry 4.0 compliant, and we are using these machines into our own production facilities, and so that we can trace, we can miniaturize our own production facility, we can digitalize our connectivity solution and different stuff on 4.0.
So when we talk about the Make in India thing, right, so how comfortable you are manufacturing here in India?
We are pretty comfortable here, and of course there are a lot of challenges, but once this VAT things rolls out, things will be much simpler.
VAT things means?
This once government rolls out this VAT, one VAT for entire India.
GST means you are
GST,
talking.
yeah. GST.
So what advantage you will have when the GST will in
It
application?
will clear a lot of ambiguity in the market. Like right now, different tax structure for different states. Some states will have entry tax, some toll tax, some different thing and all. So once we have a uniform GST in India, then obviously things will be on a level playing field. For example, if I don't have a manufacturing in Maharashtra, maybe if I am selling goods from Chennai, I may not be comfortable, but in future things will be, for every manufacturer it will be on par actually.
So considering your products, though they are the quality products, and when GST will come into application, right? So what are the recommendation you will have for the government? So is there any recommendation for your kind of products?
No, there is no special thing for our product. It will be applicable for all industrial products. So there is nothing special, and the government knows what they are doing actually. So I think the present government is very industry-friendly government, and they are much better than previous government. They know what they are talking about. They know what they want.
So what new thing you have launched here at Alakrama?
We have some new range of connectors, like you can see these high temperature connectors here, and not many competitors offer these kind of high temperature connector. Then we have also one special connector which has got a special coating. It is basically for railway application, and it's a very special connector, heavy duty, as it is our connectors meant for almost 25-30 years. With that technology, we are enhancing the life of our product.
So can you elaborate on Harting, the parent company?
It's a family-owned company and a very successful company, and it's a typical mid-size German company. It's neither too big nor too small actually, and there are many companies, family-owned companies, and if you compare them, they are very successful, and since their name is on the product, so they are very quality conscious, because for them the prestige is very important. So in my company also, the owner's name is on the product, like Harting. So Harting is family's name, so they give a lot of importance to the quality actually. So that's a typical philosophy of the company.
So last question, sir, why the people should come to Harting for the product?
For quality, German reliability, and if they want a product, reliable product, and a very good quality product, then they should come to Harting. And excellent after-sales service, nationwide presence, and off-the-shelf availability of the products. Though we are importing products, but we make sure that most of our products are available off the shelf.
Can you elaborate on the application area of your product as well?
We cater to different market, but the major market for us is the railway rolling stock side and signaling side, and then we have products for industrial application like machinery and robotics, process automation. We also have products for wind turbines and power distribution, power generation, and of course, and we have products for renewable energy.
So what is the size of market that you have in India?
We have a market size of almost, typically for our range of products is almost 1,000 crore.
And what is the market share of Harting India?
We have almost 10% market share right now in our field.
And what are the challenges means you are facing with the competition?
The challenge what we face is basically from Chinese companies who are dumping products, and people sometimes get carried away with the price and all. And another challenge for us is people copy our products, and that's something which is quite shameful. And unfortunately, our patent was not extended for Indian market, and that's the biggest mistake we did. So some of our competitors shamelessly copy our product.
So the patent is reason-wise, or is a universal patent that you have?
No, we didn't have a universal patent actually. The patent was applicable for European market for some products, and for some of the products patent has expired, so we didn't renew the patent. But people have copied actually. And some of the Indian manufacturers, they don't care about patent and all. They make some small changes and all, and they get away with that.
You have 10% market share in India. So what is the target you have set for yourself and your team?
So we have a very ambitious target for 2020 actually. So we would like to grow faster than our market. That's our number one strategy. And since last few years, we had been clocking almost 40% growth, and we hope that this trend continues for next 4 years also.
Any expansion plan that you have as of now?
Right now we are going ahead with this existing factory, and we will see how our production takes up, and definitely if demand is there, we'll keep on expanding our factory.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much talking to us.
Thank you very much.